This is a 2009 Ford F-250 crew cab 4x4 with a 5.4 liter gas engine, 111,000 miles, one owner, in like new condition. Stunning truck. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Super clean truck. Running boards, tires are in good condition, rear parking sensors, tow package. Bed is super clean. It has these bed extenders on both sides. This video will not do this truck justice. Very clean truck. You'll be lucky to find a door dam or a rock chip on it. Very clean. One owner, rust-free Texas vehicle. All of our vehicles come with a 125-point pre-owned inspection, so when we sell something, it won't need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Beige cloth interior is like new, like the entire truck like new. One owner, Carfax certified, no accidents. The seats are like new. Everything's like new on this truck. AM, FM, CD, four-wheel drive. 111,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Just amazing condition. So this is a 2009 Ford F-250 Super Crew 4x4, 111,000 miles in just stunning condition. Needs nothing.